up everyone? So the race for this week is going to be here at Merced. If you remember from last week, we had the race here in Fresno, and then this week we're going to do it on Merced, which is about so they gotta fly all the way down 258 miles going home. So the air miles would be around 244, give or take, but let's just stick to 250. We'll see. I know it's something less than that. So our first race was here, Delano. Second race, Tulare. Third race, Fresno. Fourth race, Merced. And then after that, we're going to Modesto. But that's gonna be the location right here.
Birds are out at 646. 646. Woo! Go!
Yo, that was an awesome video. Shout out to Eric Mauricio for sending that video to me, or for showing it to us. EJ's Loft Bullies. And shout out to all the guys that went with him to drive up there to watch the release, and good luck to all you guys. Anyway, so that was at Merced. That's the race for today. It's about 250 miles from here. What time is it right now? So it's about 11:30. I want to expect them anytime soon, but we'll see. All right, I'll keep you guys posted. All right, so that's the time right now. It's 11:45. So the release was at 6:46 a.m. and the distance is about 250 miles. So that's the time right now, and there's still no birds for me. Yep, I'll keep you guys posted. All right, the first two just arrived right now. Just landed. And he looks dead beat tired. Alright, the first bird arrived. He looks really tired. That bird, I don't know. I don't think that's mine. I don't know if that's my bird. This is my bird right here. Yeah, he looks really tired, guys. Check him out. Oh man, he is tired. Hey, great job, buddy. Let's find out who that is. 22777. Man, he's tired. Hey, great job, man. Yeah, that's not mine, because that one is a splash. That's not my bird right there. That's someone else's bird. Man, alright, so he arrived over time. $12.33. Great job, buddy. Yeah, that splash is not mine. Alright. I'm trying to zoom in, but it looks like a really nice bird. It's like a splash with white flags, I think. Okay. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, so it's 1 o'clock, and the birds were released at 6:46 a.m. this morning. The distance is about 250 to 240 miles from here. and right now it's 1 o'clock. I got one bird that came back at 12:33, which is right there. 22777 12:33, and that's him right there. Great job, buddy. All right, we'll see if we got more birds. Oh, it looks like there's a bird right there. Yeah, it looks like there's another bird right there. It's not my bird also. Any birds back? Looks like we did. We got 2 more birds back. 37542 and 37545. This is 37545, and that's 37542. So far, those are the only ones that are back. Oh, okay. So they got back at 207, and the other one's at 226. But there's a bird right there. It's not mine. All right. Keep you guys posted. All right, let's see if we got some more birds back. All right, looks like we do. Looks like we do. All right, so we have a total of, so we got these 2, so 37548 is back. Also, oh, I think this bird right here, 5499, I think he didn't, one of the birds didn't clock in, I think. Wait a minute, this is not mine. Okay, this is not my bird. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try to catch this one right here. Hold on. All right, so that's the bird right there. That's not mine, so that bird does not belong to me. And she managed to enter my cage. But yeah, it's from our club, so I gotta find out who this bird belongs to, and then we'll go ahead and give it back. All right, here we go. It's late in the evening. I think it's about 6:30 or 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. in the evening. Same story. I'm missing my white racing pigeon, and then 5499, the pair for this hen right here. They didn't come home today. These are the guys that made it home. So he's the first one that got home. This one, 22777, and then this one is second. That one's third and fourth. All right, that's about it here at GPS Loft for now. I'm gonna go to the club in an hour, and then I'll give you guys the race result. All right, see you later. All right, what's up guys? So here it is. This is the result for the 2020 Young Bird Fernando Valley Club. I think this is race number 4 for me. It's at Merced. Release time was at 06:46 a.m. There were 330 birds, 15 lofts participated. And our winner for this race is Bruno. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations to 942. Did a great job. Everyone at the club saying it was a really, really tough race. A lot of us lost a lot of birds today. It's the heat, they said. As you can tell by the speed, it's 1313. But regardless, congratulations, Bruno. Coming in second is Clay. Congratulations, Clay. And this is where I placed, right here. Check this out. GPS Loft right here. 22777. 58th place out of 330. Yeah, out of 330 birds, mine placed 58, 22777. So great job on that. This is 240 miles. So pretty happy about that. So first time for me being in the top 20%. So that's, I think that's really cool. All right, well, that's about it, guys. I hope you're enjoying the videos, and tune in next week for the next race. All right. Wow, look at those birds, bro. Good luck. There's one over there that doesn't want to go out. There's more inside, Clay. Oh my gosh, there's one group that took up right away, Clay. There's one group that took up. Wow, Clay.